Understanding the phrase, prop someone up in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, prop someone up. This phrase is used quite often in both casual and formal conversations, so understanding its meaning and usage is key to improving your English skills. Let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of this phrase together. Prop someone up is a phrase with both a literal and a figurative meaning. Literally, it means to physically support someone who might otherwise fall or collapse. For example, if someone is injured and cannot stand on their own, you might prop them up against a wall or in a chair. However, in a figurative sense, prop someone up can mean to support or help someone, especially during difficult times. This support could be emotional, like comforting a friend who is feeling down, or practical, like helping a colleague with a challenging task at work. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. 1. Literal usage. After the surgery, her brother had to prop her up as she walked. 2. Figurative usage. During the tough phases of the project, the team leader really propped us up with his guidance and motivation. Notice how the phrase changes slightly depending on the context, but the core idea of support remains the same. When using prop someone up, it's important to be aware of the context. Using it in the wrong context can lead to confusion. For example, saying, "He propped up his grades," is incorrect because grades can't be physically or emotionally supported. And that's a wrap on prop someone up. Remember, understanding phrases like this not only helps in improving your English but also in understanding the culture and nuances of the language. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. Happy learning!